15.
Okay, so you will have the whole year, the rest of the year to yourself muna.
Yes, I don't know if you can say that I'll have it to myself. Kasi marami ding mga events. So, yeah. But yeah, no work muna until January 15.
So, anong plano mo sa Pasko? Hindi ba talaga?
Ang plano ko sa Pasko, mag-out of town kami ng mga bata.
Ito ba yung Batangas? Yung sa safe haven nyo? Batangas ba?
Oo, Batangas yun.
Ano meron doon, Miss Dali?
May dagat, may puno, bundok, grass. I love nature kasi.
So, bago bumongga ng work?
Yes, kailangan ko ng ganun. Parang naging na nga sa akin parang naging routine na yun sa akin. Kailangan ko ng malaking break bago sumabak sa trabaho.
Grabe. Anong nakukuha nyo sa ganun? Sa pag-rewind?
Nare-rejuvenate ako. Na parang nabubuhayan ako yung... Para siyang parang nare-refresh yung system ko.
Naka-adjust na ba yung mga daughters mo sa diamonds mo, Miss Dali? Charot! Sa iniba ng buhay mo ngayong taon, di ba?
Naka-adjust ba sila? Feeling ko nga mas nag-enjoy sila kaysa sa akin
Dahil?
Alam mo na, mga bata, di ba? Parang pag may gusto sila na whatever, nakukuha na nila ngayon, dati hindi.
Miss Dali, how does it feel? Sunod-sunod na Hollywood ang projects na international projects na ako. How does it feel?
It's really exciting. It's super, I'm so thrilled. I'm so happy that this is happening. And I don't feel like it's happening just to me I feel like it's happening to all of us. Kasi parang ito na yung chance natin to be, in the world stage. So, it's a thrill. I'm just so happy right now. It's like a dream come true.
Yeah, can you also say that you've been waiting for this moment actually?
I think I have. It's really more of being able to work with, filmmakers from different cultures, actors from different backgrounds. So, ito na yun. This is a dream come true. I'm not just limited by working in one place.
Yeah.
Miss Dali, balikan natin yung yung pera na kailangan ng inyong kinakampanya. Opo. Ano ba yung balikan lang natin kasi sinabi mo wala naman pala tayong kakulangan sa talent.
Wala.
'Di ba? Pati sa gamit meron tayo. Ang kakulangan natin sa promo.
Yes.
Pero kahalaga nga ba yung promo?
Importante talaga yung promo kasi ang point ng campaign is para panoorin ng mga manonood, ng mga voters, para botohin kanila. Yun yung point nun. Hindi siya campaign na parang tumakbo ka ng mayor or senator na botohin niyo ako. It's not that. It's really more of watch our film. And if you like it, vote for us. If you don't have to vote for us. And it takes money to be able to have people to watch it. We have to host screenings, dinners, meetings, Q&As, receptions, and it takes money to be able to do that.
Naaalala ko nga yung yung pagkakunay sa Golden Globes, may sarili pa silang party para sa press Asian PA, di ba?
Yes.
So ganun imagine mo. So ilang grupo ng international press yan?
Correct. So, yung Hollywood Foreign Press,
diba?
kailangan mo imbitahin kasi sila ang voters ng Golden Globes. Para mapanood nila. So, it's really more of that. It's really more of getting people to watch. So, it's really very challenging.
And sa Academy po, sabi niyo mag-screeners? Manunod na kayo ng mga screeners?
Yes.
Oh my God. After watching the screeners, ano po ba yun? May comment section ba?
Hindi siya
section?
comment, more of vote. Magvo-vote ka kung ano yung pinaka-okay sa'yo na pelikula, irarank mo sila at a certain order, 1, 2, 3, parang ganyan. Hindi ko pa sure kung ilan, pero ganon. It's more of ranking. From the best to the least.
Grabe, imagine mo. I mean, of course, your opinion very much matters, but now it's much more powerful.
Yes.
Because, di ba, I mean, yung makikita natin sa Academy Award na magsi-speech, may kinalaman ka na doon.
Oo.
Diba?
Kahit na nag-iisa lang akong boses, malaking bagay pa rin yun.
How do you get that privilege?
You become a member, but you have to be invited to be a member. So, ganun
Is it
nangyari
because
sa
of the nomination?
I don't really know why. That's a very good question, Audrey. I'm not sure why. But, maybe, I think it's because na-nominate yung Triangle of Sadness, yung pelikula namin. Maybe that, I didn't ask questions. Basta, in-invite niyo ako to be a member, go, tara. Yun na.
Miss Dolly, sinabi mo talagang kumbaga slow burn yung naging karera mo sa Pilipinas bago biglang nagulat ka na lang one day, ito ka na with endorsements. Sa Hollywood, would you say, mabilis siya?
You mean ako?
Oo, yung trajectory mo sa Hollywood.
Feeling ko, yun, parang gapang ulit yan. Siyempre, gapang ulit yan. I mean,
pero 3 movies.
Yes. Well, 3 movies.
And a series?
Yeah, I guess okay na rin yun. I mean, that's not bad. In a period of 12 months, may nakuha na akong 4 na project. Pero, gapang pa rin yun in terms of, you know...
Mag-hit ba yun? Or ano?
Oo, hindi pa lumalabas, so hindi natin alam. Although I have a good feeling about the films that I've made. Kasi, ano rin maganda rin yung collaboration namin ni Adam, yung manager ko sa States. We really talk about projects, scripts as we receive them, kung okay ba, maganda ba talaga. So I have a good feeling about these films that I've made there.
Miss Dolly, a while ago we were talking about Nicole Kidman, you'll be working with her. That's just, I just want to know again, gano'n ka-excited to actually be working with her?
Sobra akong excited, as in.
Nicole Kidman.
Yeah, and ang weird lang ng feeling na you're watching someone's work on screen, and then biglang ka-eksena mo sila ganito kalapit, parang tayo kuya.
Tapos actingan kayo.
Parang, wow! Ang wild nun! So, grabe na, excite ako.
Kailan to?
January.
January na. Ito na yung pinakakuna.
From Eyes Wide Shut. Charot. Eyes Wide Shut. Yun talaga naisip ko si Nicole Kidman. Hindi naman, ano na lang, yung Big Little Lies na lang niya. Charot, na lang isipin mo.
Big Little Lies, husay-husay na doon.
Si Adam po, ano po last name niya? So, Hirsch. Sino rin po minamanage niya sa Hollywood?
Mostly filmmakers, mga si Sean Baker, Rafe, sorry. Basta marami, puro mga mostly mga directors, writers, at saka musicians ang niya, minamanage
May
niya.
kilala po ba kami musicians na minamanage?
More of mga composers.
Wow!
Mga composers.
So, kinurate nyo rin ba yung magmamanage sa inyo? Kasi,
Oo, importante
like,
yun
marami bang...
Hindi naman marami, tatlo lang ang pinag-isipan ko. Pero naging madali para sa akin na piliin si Adam dahil konti lang ang kliyente niya. Ayoko ng maraming kliyente kasi hindi masyadong makaka-focus sa aming lahat, diba? Kung marami masyadong kliyente.
Tsaka parang gets niya saan mo gusto pumunta.
Oo. Tsaka malinaw sa kanya kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin.
Miss Dolly, is there any chance? Kasi we've seen you with Catherine Bernardo. Hindi talagang super close na kayo at the very beginning. Is there any chance na parang nag-usap na rin kayo na baka pwede rin siya pumasok sa Hollywood? Makasama niya rin si Adam. Hindi ko alam baka may talks lang kayo ganyan that you can share, of course.
That's a good question for her. I have a story about that, but I think that the question should be directed towards her. Yeah.
So at least
Pero yes, pinag-usapan namin yun. Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Actually, 2 minutes na lang pala tayo. Naubos na yung 20 minutes siya.
Babalik lang ako sa The Missing or Iti Mapukpukaw,
Yes.
Miss Dolly. I don't know kung
tanong na natin.
natanong mo,
Oo, pero mag-follow up.
if ever this December na sabi mo, parang, is this parang shortlist pa ba or is this the official?
Nomination na agad to. Ang
Nomination
December. Walang shortlist. Nomination na agad ang mangyayari.
Okay.
So, kailangan nagmamadali na kami at to make sure na panoorin ng mga tao.
Best, anong category to? Best foreign?
International
Film. Ilan kalaban natin?
Marami.
Mayaman din naman tayo.
Marami.
Miss Dolly, makakahanap tayo
2
ng 6
digits.
million. Charot.
Mayaman talaga tayo.
Pero dapat dyan ibuhos.
Oo, mayaman talaga tayo. So, sana nga kung pwedeng i-pool natin lahat ng resources ng mga tao. Siguro kahit yung buong Pilipinas mag-donate ng piso, may 113 million na tayo eh.
1 million
Diba?
na po kay MG Marfon.
Hindi. Tsaka
Benta mo na bag mo, MG.
Hindi, grabe.
Yun talaga,
Ako,
yun
yung
talaga.
ambag ko.
Funds talaga yung
Fans talaga. Kasi napanood niyo ba yung E.T.?
Hindi pa. Ako hindi pa.
Napakagandang pelikula, guys.
Gagawin ko yan. Yan ang assignment ko sa weekend.
Panoorin niyo, ang ganda.
Grabe.
Thank you so much.